Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Gastroenterology account. So let's get started. So to log into your University of Gastroenterology, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for University of Gastroenterology login. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on this option which says patient portal myportal.com. So after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here if you want to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on this option which is username and the password. So in first blank you have to enter your account's username. After entering your account's username, now you can enter your account's password. And after entering the password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's username or password, then what you can do is just simply tap on any one of these options that you have forgotten. So if you have forgotten your username, you can just tap on forgot username, or if you have forgotten your password, then you can just tap on forgot password and then create a new username or password. After getting new username or password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new username or your new password that you have created. Tap on sign in, and then you will successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your gastroenterology account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.